I love how angry he is today.
Yeah, you can go yourself. You're gonna make fun of me right now. I want to and just smash his head in with a to be honest. That's how I feel, seriously.
Good morning. Come on.
Tyler.
God, why does Eric's mom always gotta talk to me?
She loves you. You're her second child.
Oh, okay.
Just wanted to come in and say hi.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for being nice to my son, Eric. You're such a sweetheart.
Now you sound like an 80-year-old.
I can do 80-year-old.
Eric's mom just aged about 30 years in all Miller.
Shut up, Tyler. Get your sweet over here.
No? Yeah? No?
No. Sure, Tyler. Strap my arms over there.
You're having way too much fun right now, aren't you?
Dude. If you're not having fun, then there's something wrong. You gotta have fun at work, man. Coming up. American Racing headers into the high flow catted X pipe.
$1 for every bundle.
Into the Corsa. With no tips. At least you're listening to some good music.
Yeah.
A little Pink Floyd.
It had a 7,700 RPM rev limiter.
Nah. Did it really?
Sure did.
Oh.
I mean, that's fine.
Dude, what do you usually do? 7 or 72?
72.
Yeah. But there's no real reason to go over that. The
No.
power drops off at like 65.
Or less.
Yeah.
77, bro.
That's a bit much. This is the same one that had the grease on the plugs, right?
Yep.
Well, this has got a refreshed motor.
Sure does.
Back together. I'm kind of happy to see this thing off that lift now. Just kind of tired of staring at it.
Me too. Oh, let's see. Bill said he just emailed me.
Specs.
Cam card is, of course, in advertised duration. So, actual duration, it's a 244, 258 at 50. I had to do that in my head.
Okay. You say who's like Cam?
It just says comp cam.
Oh.
Apparently the guy thinks the car is capable of revving to just above 8,000 RPMs. This is what it says in his email. Yeah, if he wants his car to explode, yes, keep revving it to 8,000 RPM.
Wow.
I'm not sure where he's getting that information from, but
Probably the shop that
8,000.
set the rev limiter to 77.
8,000.
Jesus Christ. Your race car barely, well, it does that, but that was built for that.
Yeah.
It's a
It's
big,
got about $50,000 engine to make it do that, but
I'll be amazed if it breaks 600. Are they ported heads or just fixed heads?
heads have been milled, says 11.8.
Okay.
That's all it says. It'll probably make right at 6.
So what are we doing, Eric?
Right now, cam.
Cam.
Swapping out the cam.
Okay.
Swapping out the cam, and I gotta see if it has valve springs and all that stuff. We'll go from there.
So now we're actually gonna dive into taking apart the motor where we didn't before.
Correct.
Okay. So you remember that comment before where you're like, I wish we could kind of start over?
Yeah.
Well, guess what we're doing?
I know.
We're starting over. Fresh header smell.
Yep. I'm looking for a picture.
headers, X-pipe, mufflers. I mean, considering it's got cats.
Not bad.
Doesn't even have an intake.
Nope.
That's pretty good.
Yep. Yep, that's the daddy. Did he play football in high school?
Did he used to play football when he was in high school?
No.
Hey, blower's home.
Yep.
Looking good, Tyler. Your excitement is just saying it all.
Yep.
Yup. Yup. So what else you got left, Tyler?
For the most part, it's the lowering springs.
Oh, that's right. We are doing suspension.
Put the front back in, put the intake, stuff like that back in, and then move on to suspension stuff, and that'll pretty much be it.
Nice.
So it's coming.
Exhaust is all done.
Yeah.
Well, obviously headers and then that stock.
Yeah, I cut the thing yesterday, so it's up in there now and hanging back in the car. The muffler weighs 3,000 pounds. Muffler is so
heavy. Is it really?
It's so heavy.
I feel like those are supposed to be light. Well, I know the titanium ones are. That's probably not the
definitely not titanium.
It's definitely not titanium.
It's definitely not titanium. I can answer that question right now.
Yeah.
It's definitely not titanium.
Well, you can kind of tell looking at it. It has that like
it doesn't
bronzish
have
gold look versus
titanium. Kind of goes that like rainbow color when it gets real hot.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it have all?
I love how angry he is today.
Yeah, you can go yourself. You're gonna make fun of me right now.
I'm not making fun of you. I just said I love how angry you are. It makes for great TV.
I don't think he's worried about TV.
I know he's not, but from my perspective.
Well, that means you'll probably get that phrase said to you several more times today.
Like a It's between your excitement and his anger.
Something's holding it up between that 100% holding it up. I'm going up in the air.
Probably what you think it is.
Yeah, the fuel lines from the fuel.
It is exactly what it is.
Can you see him?
I can feel them.
Yeah.
Great. Come down to this, but
So
I have
what
no
was
other
what
choice.
was stopping it? Was it the fuel lines?
the giant fuel filter that's wedged between the torque tube and body. I'm still hoping the pan comes out. I'm not even for sure the pan's gonna clear. I'm pretty sure it will, but let's see why not. Something now gonna be this thing completely apart or something.
Maybe just a bare engine.
I sent him a picture of it last night.
Yeah.
He's like, damn. I'm like, yeah, buddy. Look, I thought it was a latch cap. It looks like a latch cap. That's the first thing I thought of too. See exactly what they are if they're just sitting in there and held down by the valley cover, or they're hammered in there. Like some of these ones look angled. I certainly hope they're not hammered in there. I mean, they're not loose. Just a little plug. That somebody makes or something, because they're definitely meant to be in there, I would say.
Whatever, as long as they come the out. That kind of is a relief.
Yeah, I'd say.
There you have it, everybody. Mike's car is officially getting a Procharger. It's getting an F1A94, which will definitely make some pretty good power. The other thing I want to mention is the LT4s, the motors that are in the Z06s, are forged motors from the factory, so you don't really need to do a whole lot as far as pistons and all that. They're already forged. So I know a lot of you guys in the comments are going to say, oh, forge the block. It's already done. It's from the factory. That's why you get a Z06 over a Grand Sport or an LT1 like the C7s. We're not going to spray it. We're gonna stick with the pump gas in the E85, and it should still make probably right around 1,000 wheel horsepower, if not maybe over with the E. It will 100% be finished, and be ready for Motorama. So you guys that are going to that show, it will be there with the Procharger. Make sure to check it out. The race with Nick and Mike is gonna be a good one. You're gonna have to stay tuned to find out what goes on. And always, our merchandise on the website, RaceProvenMotorsports.net. Hats, t-shirts, license plate frames, all that good stuff. I'm actually rocking one of Jack's hats right now. Thank you, Jack, appreciate it. Subscribe, we'll see you next week.